Let me hear what you are saying. Ukhuluma awu. Sorry. Ukuluma kwesende kona kwenziwa yini? Okay, emnyama. All right. Ukuluma kwesende. Ukuluma kwama-balls. Khumbula ukuthi ama-balls akho ne anani ama-balls akho anama-hairs anenwele izinza. Alright, so meaning noma yini indawo enezinza kusho ukuthi iyaphefumula leyo ndawo. Alright, so meaning also kunama-glands futhi lapho okujuluka. So amasende akho afana namalebe kumuntu wesifazane. Alright, so indawo ezijulukayo lezo futhi indawo ezilumayo kalula. But ekujulukeni, if wena wajuluka mhlambe ugqoke i-under ekubambayo umfoma nokujuluka, lokho kusukuzogcina manje sokukwenzela wena ukuthi kukhule lezi zinambuzane ezithanda ukukhula kulowo mjuluko loyo. Alright, so ugcina ke wena suyazinwaya sukuyaluma kuleyo ndawo. Kwesinye isikhathi igcina kushintshe nombala kube ngathi ku-grey, kuba ngathi uma kade uzinwayile ubona ngathi kuyaphucuka njalo njalo. And ngeke ngibabone abantu besilisa ngazi nikwenzelani lokho ukuthi uthi noma ezinwaya lapho nasemacele maseyanuka. Angazi nikwenzelani, but bathanda ukwenza lokho. Mhlawumbe usukufuna ukuchecka nje ukuthi kunuka kanjani, but uyayazi ke nawe ismell esisuke silapho depending umjuluko empeleni. Umjuluko uhambisana nomsanka, but basobha ke futhi ukuluma kuleyo ndawo ngoba nezintwala ziyathanda futhi lapho. Okay, ngoba kunokujuluka sometimes lokho kuluma kusuke kuyintwala. Khumbula ke intwaleni ke sithandwa zami khona intwala ozibonayo, khona intwala ongaziboni. Alright, ezingaphakathi kwena kakhulukazi lezi zesichitho uthola ukuthi zikhona nje lezo ntwala kodwa wena awuziboni kodwa uyazizwa. Okay, kusuke kufunakala ukuthi usebenzise kakhulukazi usebenzise imbozisi, ugeze ngembozisi, ugeze ngomsuzwane, uyasiza futhi if ukuthi unalezo ntwala lezo ezingabonakali. Alright, yeah, so ukuluma kumasende akho mainly ubheke hygiene, ubheke nento ozigqokayo, mhlawumbe umzimba wakho is reacting, mhlawumbe wena utheka dulele nomuntu wesifazane wangageza, ngoba it's very important ukuthi yithi kade ulalile nomuntu wakho first hamba ochama. Okay, and but two, sula lapho kuleyo ndawo ugeze ama-juice akhona. Ngiyazi usukuwa enjoy ama-juice amnande, but sula ugeze kuleyo ndawo. Okay, yes. So let me see who else. Okay, Mnyama, I hope you got your answered. Okay, na friction njalo mhlambe yebo nyoma yini futhi ngayi friction ye jean. By the way, into ade uyigqokile if ukuthi ugqoka into ezikuthayithayo ngesikhathi ukhumula uzolunywa futhi. Alright, also if ukuthi uyoma awugcobi kahle kuleyo ndawo or bukade ushefile mhlawumbe soqala ukukhula iziboya, so zonke lezo zinto zizokwenza ukuthi alume amasende. Ngisho ukuthi amasende angithi no ngayivala manje lento. Okay, doc. Okay, yo amningi imbuzo. Whoa, imani phela ngibuze ngicheck one. Pap smear, utheni pap smear ama results elilodwa linga be right ngenzeka i-cancer. Ngiyabonga. Uthini welondi? Pap smear ama results elilodwa lingabi right ngenzeka i-cancer. Okay, mhlawumbe londi into ngibuza yona ukuthi if wenze i-pap smear and ama results angabi right kungenzeka yini kube i-cancer. Now khumbula ukuthi mesenze i-pap smear soke senze njani. If senze i-pap smear sisuke sithathe is not isicubu but isikhumba kwimbobo yakho yesibeletho nangaphakathi kwesibeletho. So sifuna ukubona ini ukuthi lapho akhona yini ama cells ukuthi siyabona ukuthi angathi afuna ukuba isilonjana, ngoba siyazi ukuthi kumele isikhumba sakho ngabe sinjani ngaphakathi. But if sesithola manje ukuthi lapho ngaphakathi sokunoshintsho kunama levels ke sithi siya N1 2 3 kukusho lokho ukuthi leyo pap smear yakho leso silonda leso sesingene kangakanani. Khumbula ke ngeke ngakhuluma even before ukuthi if unesilonda lapho most of the time soke sibangwe le viruses engithi HPV, okay, human papilloma virus, okuwukuthi nomuntu wesilisa uyakwazi ukuthi akunikeze yona, akuyona abantu besifazane nje kuphela. So uyakwazi ukuthi nithelelane yona ngoba ikusayi virus le yodwa ebanga ama warts. So wena uzolala nomuntu onama warts kanti usezokunikela ngaleyo virus, kanti leyo virus leyo igcina sibange icancer. Ekugcineni akuqali kodwa kube icancer sithando zami. But Londi, i-pap smear uthe ibingabi right. Ungabi right kwi-pap smear ngawukuthi nje wena une-thrush, okusho ukuthi kukhule ama-bacteria, ama-yeast nama-fungus, into ezingamela ngabe zikhulile. And lezo zinto mhlambe ngawuzibanga ukuthi udla kakhulu ushukela, udla amaphilisi e-asthma, unoshukela, udle ama-antibiotic just recently, or nawe ugqoka ama-paint amanzi nawe, same as ubhutulwade ekhala ngokuluma. So ungabi right kwi-pap smear kusho ukuthi i-cancer. But kubalekile ukuthi ubuze udokotela wakho ukuthi exactly kuwena eyakho i-pap smear itheni, kuze udokotela wakho ekwazi ukuthi akuchazele, ungasheshi uthuka, okay? But information is power, my baby, so rather get the right information, ungapheniki, okay? Yeah. Uthini u-F, ubani u-F? Fezo Shange, umuntu wami akakwazi ukubamba. Oh baby, you know ufuna ibambe. Okay, Fezo, ukhuluma ngokuba pregnant, I'm sure. All right. Okusho ukuthi nina nobabili anikwazi ukubamba. All right, ngoba akubamba umuntu oyedwa, it's into yabantu ababili leyo. Okay, so very important ukuthi kucheck ukuthi ama periods akhe ahamba kahle yini ngendlela, meaning ukuthi iqanda lakhe liyavuthwa yini, asakhona yini amaqanda akhe, what is the age yakhe, isibeletho sakhe sokwazi ukuyibamba ingane, if kuumuntu ohlala eba nesilumo njalo njalo, into kufanele ilungiswe leyo ngoba isibeletho siyakhuluma, siyasho ukuthi mhlambe there is a problem there, or mhlambe khona into emilile engamela ngabe imilile, instead lo kumela ngabe kumila khona ingane, kumela something else. So my advice would be muse kudokotela wenu, all right, ahamba check ukuthi mhlambe inkinga ingamaqanda akhe, okay, mhlambe nama cysts or whatever, mhlambe ikwi passage leli lihamba iqanda or ama tubes akho, sorry, akhe mhlambe ablockile, mhlambe inkinga ikwisbeletho msalofu, khonto ekhulile kwisbeletho, mhlambe isibeletho asivaleki kahle, uthi noma ezithwalile siyaphuma isisu, mhlambe ama hormones akhe awabalansile kahle. So sithando zami, it can be so many things, all right? So hambe kudokotela wakhe check. If ethola ukuthi akunalutho ezela kumina ngimclean isibeletho, nawe ngiclean isperm sakho, ngisenze ukuthi onoshubshoku bakho bekwazi ukuscora, uzobamba. All right? Okay. Tini thandwa, if niqeda kwenza umdavazo bese upartner eyochama ngabe kunomthelela ukungamithi yini? Shame. Okay, my baby, mhlawumbe ngeke ngikhulume nje one day ngento yokumitha ne everything about it. All right. Look, khumbula ukuthi isidoda sakho ngesikhathi usprayela ngaphakathi kuyena, yes, there is a certain chance ukumsiza if ezokalale nje khona, okay, just to help, but it's not a very big chance, okay? Umuntu ngoba uyakwazi ukumitha nenze umdavozi nimile, kodwa uyakwazi ukuthi amithe ngoba ngesikhathi udubula wena isidoda sakho siyongena kuyena, isperm vele nje impilo yaso sidalelwe lokho ukuthi asikwazi ukubhukuda, sikazi siyofika kwiqanda, okay, into vele siyaziyo leyo, all right? So ziningi ezinye izinto ngale kokuchama kwakhe, but kwisperm sakho ukuthi sidoda sakho lesi siyakwazi ukubhukuda siye kahle eqandeni, siyakwazi ukulinuka iqanda ukuthi lingakuphi, siyakwazi ukuliqhumbusa iqanda, mesibhukuda sife endleleni, or mesibhukuda asijike silahlekelwe direction siye emuva kunokuthi siya phambili. So but yeah, ziningi izinto. So ngizokutshela what I use, right? Kuwena umuntu wesilisa alright, kubalekile ukuthi nawe isidoda sakho sikwazi ukuphila ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siyoliqhumbuza lelo qanda, alright. So izinto ongazisebenzisa, always uthole i-folate or i-folic acid, alright, izokusiza. Nisebenzisa ama-omega, nehlisa amafutha lawo kalakateni, usebenzisa amafutha right njengamakinato, avocado, njalo njalo, fish. So izinto ezokusiza lezo ukuqinisa as well. Sebenzisa isopomento, I use that, izosiza i-prostate yakho so that nangesikhathi ufika kuvuthondaba sixuze isidoda sakho, okay. Naye umama, I use enye into okuthiwa i-periwinkle, alright. I use enye into okuthiwa i-Jamaican blood, alright. Izinto engizisebenzisayo mina to help abantu, you know, with fertility issues. Ngiyasebenzisa, I do my own women's tea. Kwitiye lami labantu besifazane, I use imakha, I use i-ashwagandha, I use fenugreek, I use okra, I use depending ukuthi ngisola ini, I can use milk thistle sometimes or stinging nettle. So I'll create different teas ngoba zonke lezo zinto they play a role, okay. Kumuntu wesifazane ke lokho itiye ngilenzela umuntu wesifazane just to help with balancing ama hormones akhe, alright. But that is why it's important ukuthi kwazeke ukuthi what are we fixing, ngoba it's not one size fits all. Usukwazi ukuthi kulo nansi into engifuna ukuyifixa, maseke you make those hormonal teas and hormonal mixes, alright. That's what I use. So I'm just giving you my trade secrets. You can use them, but ngiyazi ugcina uze kumina, alright. Uthini uSiboniso, izambane elikhulu nelincane. What about it, Siboniso? One big one, one small one? Look, it depends if leli likhulu selilikhulu kakhulu naleli linye, or leli linye li right ukukhulu leli linye lishrinkile, ngoba those are two different things. But if lilikhulu kakhulu leli linye, most likely into esibiza ngokuthi hydrocele, okay, okuwukuthi kusuke kunamanzi lapho phakathi or fluid kuyona. Generally siyayidraina, ngifaka inalithi nje kalula lapho mase ngiyayidrain, akubuhlungu. Ngiyazi even if ngiyenza umuntu uma ngizokwenza lokho kuyena uyathuka kuba ngathi Dr. Mthembu, but it's not so at all. And besides, I know how to handle balls. Khona omunye ubaba ngathi naye wena esende likhulu elilodwa lilikhulu impela. So ngesikhathi ngizomdraina manje I have to feel it, angifile ngilibambe and ngilifile izambane lakhe or isende lakhe. So usethi, and he's standing there, oh my goodness, bengazi ukuthi kuba nenkinga yamazambane is going to make my dreams come true. This is my dream come true, Dr. Mthembu handling my balls. So it was a nice laughing moment. Sahleka nje sobabili no nurse wenami lapho ngoba I'm never alone, kusuke kukhona unurse. So but it's not anything sinister, you know, but siyakwazi ukuthi strain logo, but if it keeps coming back sithanda zami, then you probably need an operation. It's not a big thing, just ukuhamba siyovala nje lapho lephuma khona low manzi, okay. Don't stay with it, go have it looked. And ngiyazi abantu abaningi but inyanga ngiye enyangeni, it won't go inyanga, it needs a doctor, all right. Of course zikhona izinto inyanga ezikwazi ukuzisiza, but that needs a doctor, all right. All right, you as amningi utheni uBen kuyenzeka uzalwe induku ibheke eceleni. Yes Ben, kade ngiqeda ukukhuluma ngako nje manje, okay. That is possible ukuthi kube into ozalwe nayo. All right, okay, sithandwa zami, my girl is 18 years old, akaze angene kuma periods, ngabe yini inkinga? Turmeric, yeah, kuyinkinga lokho sithandwa sami. Amantombazana amanye, if they have never been on their period and already sena 18, all right, so that is very delayed puberty, all right. But kunabantwana abanento esibiza ngokuthi i-hymen imperfecta, all right. Usuke uthi mumbhekile, all right, mumbhekile kuvalekile nje ukuthi una 18 mhlambe uyakwazi ukuthi umbheke inkomo yakho uthole kuvalekile nje at all, ayikho imbobo at all lapho kungaphuma khona igazi. But kwabanye uthola ukuthi it's a hormonal problem, all right. It's a problem yamaqanda akhe ukuthi avuthwa. Or I've also seen, in fact, kade ngimbona lo izolo, umuntu wesifazane umuntu wesifazane ngaphandle kodwa umuntu wesilisa ngaphakathi, so to speak. So akanaso isibeletho. And I've seen quite a few patients like those. So it's best ukuthi ungayiyekeli nje, go have it checked out ukuze ukwazi ukuthi umsize best umntwana wakho, so you can know ukuthi umsiza kanjani. All right, turmeric. Okay, usithole uthini, doctor, what could be the reason ukuthi operation yokuteta ingapholi ngaphakathi for 2 years? Yeah, lokho kuyenzeka. Khumbula ukuthi i-operation yokuteta, if kukuthi wenze i-C-section ukhuluma ngaleyo, noma ukhuluma nge-episiotomy ngoba kufani, khona lesika yona inkomo ngoba sifuna ingane iphume, or kusuke kukhona lesika lapha enzansi esiswini kuyi-C-section. So if kukuthi yona kuyenzeka ukuthi thola ama-stitches akho azange azaphole, or kwaba ne-complication, kwaba nobovu agcina angapholi kahle. All right, but most of the time you might think ukuthi wena kupholile kanti kupholile, but into esikuhlupha wena manje so ama-nerves. Okay, ama-nerves, ngoba ngesikhathi usikuthunga ungathola ukuthi kunama-nerves esiwagcinezelayo, kuba nama-nerves are-exposed. That is why umuntu uthi kade etetile njalo noma kubanda uyazwela athi eyi umthungo wami usuyavuka because of i-weather, but those are just the nerves, sithandwa sami, all right, that are exposed kuleyo ndawo. But if kukuthi umthungo wakho kule uyabhibha, all right, then definitely please go back beyokuchecka, ngoba ungathola ukuthi mhlambe khona noma i-cotton swab noma i-cotton wool noma yini indwangu yasalela ngaphakathi kuwena and yona iyakubolisa ngaphakathi. All right, so akupholi, but just go have it checked out if there is a problem, or if kuukuthi mhlambe it's nerve pain. Okay, if it is nerve pain, ungeza kumina, I will help ukuthi ngiyipholise ukuthi iphole from ngaphakathi. Kune therapy engiyenzayo kuthiwa i-infrared far light engiyisebenzisayo kusiza ukuthi kuhambe kuyophola imithungo ngaphakathi. All right. Uthi angisamzwanga lo khona dithi ubhuda ngazi ipipi liyancipha. Uthini uthwala yini eyenza abesimame bayithande kangaka induku egobile? Ngoba ngathi ikhubazekile nje. Ayithwala ayikhubazekile. It depends ukuthi igobele ngakuphi, okay? Ngoba remember ukuthi lezo bigobele ngakhona izobihlaba ngalapho as well. So if kuukuthi for example igobele phezulu kumuntu wesifazane, then izomhlaba kuphi in that very same area sithi G-spot. So it's definitely going to be very nice again. But if igobele to another direction, it really won't be nice, izomlimaza. So it depends ukuthi igobele ngakuphi and igobe kangakanani. But also what's important, khumbula sithando zami kumdavazo, is safety and comfort ya wonke umuntu, ngoba naye umnikazi wenduku akangabi ezwe ubuhlungu, ngoba if esezwe ubuhlungu then it's not fair ukuthi wena ujabule ebe umnikazi wenduku ebezwe ubuhlungu ngokuthi induku yakhe igobile. All right, okay sithandwa zami, have a beautiful evening. I shall see you I'm not sure if I'm going to be on this Sunday again. I'll have to make a plan. I'm back in Cape Town for Ikosi Yami again this weekend. So, depending on how things go, I might not have a live. But I will tell you. Okay? I will tell you. All right. Okay, lungile sithando zami ngiyanthanda. Have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful evening. Khumbula ngibonile khona usesade ebhalile lapha yana ukuthi ushonele ubaba wakhe. I'm so sorry about that. Of course, if you need any healing, do call me, all right? So that we can help you to, you know, to love him beyond death and to experience him empilweni yakho beyond death. Because just because someone dies, uthando lwabo doesn't die. In fact, you can still enjoy their presence within you still, rather than it hurt you. But go there to get yourself and energy from it and life. Okay? Alrighty. Kulungile ke sithandwa zami. nibe nobusuku obuhle. Hello Fixer baby. I see you. Hello Mpume. Hello Wendy. Okay. We want to come to consultation with you, and what is the procedure? Depends which consultations, emotional, psychological, or physical. We are phone 031-765-8475. Bazokunikeza yonke imininingwane lapho McLeod. All right. Okay.